Hi, I'm Tare Kim. I work for Atec and today I'm going to show you how to use the weight bridge system in Black Marble. At Black Marble, now you have automatic weighing system. This is controlled by you and the lights. You only have to come to the touch screen once, even if weighing a truck and trailer. There's a set of traffic lights on the shed. Green means go, red means stop. When you're weighing a truck, wait until the previous vehicle has left and the light has gone green. Drive your truck completely on the bridge and stop. Light will go red. When the weight is captured, the light will go green. Leave vehicle on the bridge and come to the touch screen. When you're weighing a truck and trailer, wait until the previous vehicle has left and the light has gone green. Drive your truck completely on the bridge and stop. Light will go red. When the weight is captured, the light will go green. Now, move the trailer on the bridge completely and stop. Light will go red. When the weight is captured for trailer, the light will go green. Leave your vehicle on the bridge and come to the touch screen. This is what we call welcome screen. You can press start to start your transaction and answer the questions accordingly. If you do not find your truck on the list, you can add your truck by pressing New Item button. Use the on-screen keyboard on the right-hand side to enter your truck ID and then hit Next button. Enter the tare weight of your unit in kilograms. For example, if the tare weight is 12.5 ton, you enter 12,500 and hit the Next button. When selecting items of the lists, you can use speed search. Use the on-screen keyboard on the right of the screen and type in A. All items start with A will be displayed. Select the one you want. You can use this feature on all search screens. Lastly, check the details. If they look okay, print a docket. Thank you for your time today. Drive safe, everyone.